Tesko Steel jest jednym z największych.
Tesko Steel is one of the major steel processing service centers in Poland. We offer hot-rolled and cold-rolled coils, galvanized steel, and either cross-cut or slitted. Tesko Steel processes more than 300,000 tons of steel each year within its 6 production lines. What's more, we run our own logistics company, Tesko Steel Logistics, which delivers steel products to our clients, as well as provides transport and freight forwarding services for external customers. We have 850 active clients who use our services in 2 main aspects. One is the innovative solutions we are currently implementing, that is, our most advanced modern production lines, and the other is the quality we offer with these very same production lines. We use state-of-the-art solutions across the whole process of delivering materials to clients, from loading to the truck traffic in the facility itself, which is automatically controlled and supervised by our IT system. This is all under the control of the NASCA system, which can identify a vehicle from the moment it enters the facility. In fact, the system tracks every movement of the vehicle. Here in Rybnik, we currently operate 2 facilities to ensure more efficient traffic movement and manage the traffic between these 2 facilities. There are special electronic boards which display maps with directions to specific production halls. A driver is identified and immediately provided with information as to which hall and entry gate they should be heading to. The facility is too big to allow everyone to enter it whenever they want, so all deliveries and collections are scheduled. Each vehicle is scheduled to arrive at a specific hall. A vehicle ID is displayed in each hall, so the driver will have no problem reaching the loading spot. When the vehicle leaves the facility, a notification is generated that loading is completed and it's ready to set out on its journey to the client. We don't have watchmen here. We don't have employees who look after or supervise traffic. It's all controlled remotely, of course, under the supervision and instructions of the people who manage this system. However, the entire system of controlling and directing a vehicle to a specific location is programmed and automated. This speeds up the process, and each vehicle is uniquely identified in a given location. There are no mistakes whatsoever. Loading documents are generated automatically for each vehicle. This ensures that the work is better organized and efficiency is increased. From the very beginning, Tesko Steel assumed it would invest in new technologies, and so these new technologies are used within the warehouses as far as production is concerned, and also in the facilities in which we are now. We have 5 conference rooms. Each one has multimedia capabilities. Actually, using these nowadays without some sort of integrated system to support us would be impossible. We first started dealing with this matter 3 years ago, when the building was still under construction. At the time, nobody knew yet anything about COVID, so we had no idea that the entire audiovisual part of the building would be in use now. Today, we know that COVID verified our plans and showed us that our direction, strategy, and development were all good, and APA Group surely helped us to achieve that. Managing all of this is really easy, very straightforward. It's the kind of technology which I think is rarely seen in a company, since it entails managing electrical power, lights, blinds, air conditioning, and ventilation. NASCA provides full support in these areas, as well as assisting with arrivals, departures, and gate opening. So every innovation which technologically meets the requirements and need of development of Tesko Steel at a given moment is being considered and implemented wherever possible. The amount of energy consumed during the production process at Tesko Steel is quite big, so we pay very close attention to sustainable growth and proper balance of these resources in relation to our respective needs. Besides photovoltaics, which we've installed and developed, and electric cars which we've implemented within the company, we also have the state-of-the-art IPO system at our disposal. It's an intelligence system which makes analyses and suggests solutions on how to optimize energy consumption. At any point in time, we are able to monitor in real time each ton of steel produced and the electrical power consumed for each ton of material. We can inspect the current level of energy consumption, find peaks of excessive use, and identify energy reserves which should be used, so that consumption is optimal in terms of the costs and safe functioning of the facility. Furthermore, we can now extract a green footprint or a carbon footprint from the system. So these are very useful systems which Tesko Steel has invested in, implemented, and uses on a daily basis.